You can now create hit songs. And the best part about it is you don't need to be a producer. You can do that with AI. The songs sound killer. Check it out.
Keep it moving, don't you stop. Hit the floor, let the beat drop. Keep it moving.
And here's another one.
Drift away, drift away.
In order to create a song like that, we're going to use a company called Suno.com. They are a music AI startup. So you're just going to go onto their website and you're going to click sign up. And I just logged in with my Google account. It's completely free for up to 50 credits per day, which accounts for about 10 songs per day. All right, I've already created an account with them. So I'm just gonna click on sign in. I'm gonna click my Google account. I'm gonna select my account that I signed in with. Now that I'm signed in, we're gonna go to the Create tab. In the Create tab, you have multiple options. So you can say custom mode, which allows you to put in your custom lyrics. You can select the basic mode, which allows you to just describe a genre that you want to create, and it creates the lyrics for you. You can also select instrumental, and then you click the versions, either version 2 or version 3, but version 3 is the best. So always use that version. Now, I've had a lot of friends that ask me about how to create songs with this. So I've created a guide to show my friends how to do that, and I shared that in the description. So you can check that out if you would be interested in creating really high quality AI songs. But let me share some of the prompts that are examples. So for example, for the basic prompt without any custom lyric generation, we're gonna just select this. So the prompt is uplifting hip hop with alternative influences, pop sensibility and rap verses, infectious male voice, catchy hooks, and motivational lyrics about perseverance and chasing dreams. So we're gonna just pop that same lyrics in there, not much needed else, and we're gonna click create. So now it takes a few seconds in order to create those songs, and those songs will show up at the bottom here. Now that it's ready, let's check out how these songs turned out.
In the concrete jungle where dreams are made.
You'll see the verse on the right side with all of the lyrics.
Gotta hustle hard, gotta reach for the sky every step I take.
All right, that's pretty catchy already. It's like, it's very poppy. All right, let's check out the second link.
In the concrete jungle where dreams are made, I'ma rise above, gotta pay my own way.
All right, I like this one better already, but it's not really what I was looking for. I was looking for more what I said here, which uplifting hip hop. This is more poppy. All right, this is really good chorus here. All right, we just checked out those two songs. In my opinion, they're not the best. I'm gonna show you how to create much better songs. And we're gonna do that with a custom GPT that I built. And I like the outputs of that one way better. I'm gonna show you how the song structure should look like for Suno in order to create really good songs that are customizable to exactly what you want it to be. And then after that, let's create 2 more songs and listen to them and see if they're better. All right, the song structure for Suno should have something like this. It should have a description of what kind of part of the song you want. In this case, I said start, intro, verse, chorus, bridge, and then chorus again, and then an outro. Suno only allows you to create 2-minute songs, so oftentimes I just skip this part, or I create an additional segment that is a third verse and a third chorus. I want to keep this video short, but if you want me to show you exactly how to extend your songs and make them even better to be a 3, 4, 5-minute version, I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let me know in the comments. So in order to create custom lyrics, I created a custom GPT that is linked down in the description. You can use that for free in order to create lyrics and custom descriptions that make your songs sound so much better than this generic version here. So I go to my custom lyrics generating GPT, and I'm gonna give my GPT the instructions. So I'm gonna say, create a Macklemore-like song that has the potential to go viral, has very catchy chorus, and is fun to listen to. It should be Billboard Top 40 potential, but also have the unique elements that make that style of music appealing. The genre section should be hip-hop alternative, hip-hop pop, rap, hipster, hop. And let's see what it comes up with. All right, so my custom GPT, it comes up with a song title, it comes up with the style and genre type, And in this case, we prompted it to have something very specific. But if you put in anything here, it will create a really good prompt that you can post into Suno in order to make it really good. The song structure, it describes what the song structure of a really good song should sound like. And then it comes up with the perfect formatting of the lyrics in order to make a really good song that aligns with Suno's values. So it has a start, intro, short instrumental, then it has verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus, verse 2, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, and then an outro. This is a long lyrics, so I don't think I will be able to do 3 or 4 choruses. So in this case, we're gonna shorten it when we paste it into Suno. In order to make a custom song in Suno, you're gonna click custom mode and you're gonna just paste the lyrics here. As I said earlier, I'm gonna take out the 4th chorus and have the bridge go straight into the outro. Then we're gonna click on style of music. The style of music is what is given to me first here. So the style is hip hop, alternative hop, rap, hipster hop. So we're gonna paste that in here. And then the title, let's put the same title that our GPT generated. I like to make multiple versions, so I'm just gonna call this version 1 and see what it comes up with. Let's get it going. All right, let's see what we came up with here. All right, I already like this so much better than the previous version.
6 strings on my back, chasing dreams in a van. City lights, late nights, mic in my hand. Crafting rhymes like a wizard, words dance and they spin. Every alley's a story, let the journey begin.
Nice, you can see how that rhymed there.
Snapbacks and high tops are tools for the trade.
It's a good pre-chorus.
We're painting our path with the beats that we've made. We're gonna ride the sky, fly high, like we're never gonna stop. Heartbeat to the beat of the hip-hop.
This is super catchy. I already like this so much better. Nice melodies, good song creation, a good song structure. Overall, amazing.
Thrift shop threads to the top of the charts. Playing strings,
Nice.
playing tags, we're making our marks. Roll down the windows, let the whole world hear.
This is awesome. All right, let's check out the second song. All
6 strings on my back.
right, this is a female voice. So if I wanted it to be a male voice, all right, so this is a female voice song. If I wanted it to be male voice, I would put that in the style of music. I would just say, comma, male artist. But I kind of don't mind the female voice, so let's listen to that more.
City lights, late nights, mic in my hand.
Also, by the way, I'll tell you about one more trick at the end of this video. So give it just 1 more minute, and after the song, I'll tell you about the last trick.
Crafting rhymes like a wizard, words dance and they spin. Every alley's a story, let the journey begin.
Nice. This is
Snapbacks and high tops are tools
less hip hop,
for
but a
the
little bit more
trade.
pop and a little bit more.
We're painting our
And a little bit more
path with
alternative.
beats that we've made.
Okay, I would want that
Heartbeat
part to be a little bit more
the
poppy.
hip-hop. Every city, every block, making memories we rock. We're gonna ride the sky.
All right, this is not bad.
Fly
Not
high,
bad.
we're never gonna stop. Heartbeat to the beat of the hip-hop. Every city-
All right. These are really good options already, but let's just make an alteration in order to see if we can improve this even further. So really quickly, I'm just gonna say male artist into the style of music, and then there is a special trick that I outline in my description where you can see how to make things better. And I outline this in real depth and have even more tricks in my template, but one of the tricks you can do is you can use parentheses to have backup vocals or ad-libs. So we're gonna use that same trick, and we're gonna go back here and say for the verse 1, for the last line, we wanted to say, let the journey begin. We're gonna have in parentheses, let the journey begin. And that will repeat that verse with either a second voice or in ad-lib form. And we'll do the same thing here for the chorus. We're gonna ride the sky. Let's repeat that one more time. Ride the sky in parentheses. And then let's add the period so that the program knows it's over at the right point. And we're gonna do that same here on the first rhyme. So we're gonna say, we're gonna ride the sky, fly high. We're gonna stop, make the hip hop. Let's repeat the whole line. And let's generate it again. Maybe we kind of want it to be a little bit more hipster pop, so let's include hipster hip hop. And let's try this one more time and see if we create something better. I'm gonna call this V2, just so we can differentiate the two versions. And here we go, it's already created both of the songs. Let's listen to it.
Just like strings on my back, chasing dreams.
All right, it completely failed on the male artist. So let's see if the second one includes
6
it.
strings on my back, chasing dreams in a van. City lights, late nights, mic in my hand.
All right, this is already different style.
Like a wizard, words dance.
Let's see if I can do the ad-libs with the added line here.
Story, let the journey begin.
Yeah, I did it. Nice. All right, this is catchy.
For the train, we're painting our path. We're gonna ride the sky, fly high like we're never gonna stop. Heartbeat to the beat of the hip hop. Every city,
Nice, I did the ad-libs again. I think it already sounds so much better.
Ride the sky, spraying tags. We're making our marks. Roll down the windows.
All right, it's already in the second verse. I'm gonna pause it here, but if you want to hear more of this, let me know in the comments. I have a complete guide that outlines exactly how you can prompt Suno.com in order to make better music. There's another platform out there also called Udio. I'm going to cover that in a separate video. And on top of that, I have a guide on how to make money with this new technology with all these different business ideas that show you exactly how you can use this new technology that everyone is sleeping on in order to make passive income. If you want to watch more videos on how to create music, I'm creating a whole series on this. So subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what kind of music you want me to create and what kind of questions you have, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.